Good morning everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this video about Ethereum, XRP and also Woxchain. We're gonna have a look into those three projects or coins guys out there because currently I think that the setup is very bullish and you should not miss out on those opportunities. So welcome everyone. We're gonna start with Ethereum, we're gonna have a look into XRP and of course also into Woxchain, this new chain that I'm buying in currently during the pre-market phase, and you can of course also try out their decentralized apps already now with AI signals. So we have here basically everything that needs to be covered here in the crypto space, what is going on guys. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. I update you every day what is going on here with Bitcoin and of course also with the altcoins like Ethereum, XRP, Solana and so on. So check out all links in the video description, especially to Woxchain if you want to get on board into this completely new chain that is upcoming. You can also claim here every day free coins or just buy in. I'm gonna tell you everything what to do here, and of course also if you want to trade Ethereum, XRP and so on, all coins that are on exchanges, you can use the links in the video description to those exchanges that I'm also using. So welcome on board guys, make sure to be subscribed. I keep you updated on all cryptos out there, and of course I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to entertain you. I'm just showing whatever I'm buying, whatever I'm selling, whatever I'm doing here in the crypto space with you, and that's why all my price predictions and price TA is of course my own opinions and own analysis. Of course guys, also do your own research, but we are here since 2017 and so far we have been doing great, and that's why let's hope that we're gonna continue to do so. So let's dive here straight into the Ethereum chart guys, because Ethereum now also, like every other asset of course, started a completely new week. We have Monday, and as you can see we closed in an extremely bullish way last week guys, with a very bullish engulfing candle. The weekly close was above all previous weekly closes that we had. And also as expected, we are now approaching my target here at around $4,200 for Ethereum. I'm pretty confident that we're gonna reach those targets. Also the indicators are all shifted to the upside, and I believe that we're gonna test here $4,200. And I told you guys that once we break it, once we break $4,200, we're gonna go to an insane high price level, because I think that Ethereum in this bull run will reach at least 11k, maybe even 20k. That is possible because Ethereum should be trading up here. You can see that we had a resistance line in the previous bull run, and Ethereum is far away from that, while Bitcoin is already there and even breaking out to the upside. If we compare it to Bitcoin, you can see that we are already up here, while on Ethereum we are still below, way below those targets up here. And that's why I think that Ethereum currently is very underrated, and that's why right now whenever Ethereum is pushing hard to the upside, we should expect also all the altcoins and new projects like also Woxchain pushing nicely to the upside. Of course, no guarantees. This is only my own TA, guys. But usually in the past, whenever we have seen such altcoin seasons, then of course everything that has to do with Ethereum or what has to do with new chains or new projects or new coins with low market cap, they have performed very well, at least during this uptrend and this bull run. And that's why I'm so bullish right now for all those coins, because whenever we see also the Bitcoin dominance dropping to massive lower levels, we are coming here to a very critical support level. If we drop below, then we're gonna see a really big altcoin season in my opinion. And that's why currently I'm buying into Ethereum. I'm buying more into Ethereum. I think that here we're gonna go to insane high levels, and of course no guarantees guys, but this is my own opinion. And Ethereum have done also in the past the crazy pumps, as you can see also here, and of course this can repeat again right now, because we have the best situation basically for Ethereum right now to basically outperform everything. And not only Ethereum, I believe that also XRP will be a good coin to hold right now, because we had here this multi-year consolidation phase, and you can see that after so many months or years of consolidation, finally we have this breakout to the upside. And of course long-term XRP most likely will go also to much higher levels in the long term, because after such a long consolidation phase, usually the move, then the breakout in that direction also takes more or less that amount of time. And it is possible that for the next coming years we're gonna see XRP always going higher, sideways, higher, sideways, higher, sideways, and so on. It is possible. Of course at some points also we're gonna have some corrective phases. That is perfectly normal. That is the nature of every asset. But I am bullish now for XRP. Even if you don't like XRP, the chain itself, of course, if you want to trade it, you can do that on all exchanges that you find in the video description. So also for XRP, my target is at least $10, probably even more than that. I believe even $26 is possible, the next Fibonacci extension level, but this target maybe can be reached over the next years and not maybe in this run. We will see how crazy things will get, but at least $10, I think it's a reasonable price for XRP. And then we come to Woxchain, guys, because Woxchain is a completely new chain that is upcoming, and you can already try it out right now. And they have also their own coin that they're gonna launch. We are currently still in the first stage, so check it out, guys. I'm gonna keep the link here in the video description to the website. Of course, you can also follow up their Twitter account or Telegram. But important is that you end up here on the Woxchain website and check out this project, guys. And especially if you also want to buy or have those coins before they're launching, you have different ways how to get free coins. There is a faucet where you can claim every 24 hours 50 free coins, or you just go directly here and purchase it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Important is that you create an account. If you use my link, you just have to sign up with an email and so on, and then you are eligible basically during the pre-market phase to use all their dApps, because you can see that they are working with AI. And also here on the left side you can see the dashboard and all the features, all the dApps that you have. You have, for example, here the dashboard where you can have a nice overview over everything basically in one side. You can see also here the market overview, all details about Woxchain itself, of course, as well here on their website. Then if you go to stake, you can see that you can already now stake your coins depending for how long you want to stake it. You can, for example, stake it for 90 days, for 60 days, and you're gonna get some rewards. This is what you can do already now. Even the coin is not out yet. You can buy the coins and stake it to get additional coins. This is what you can do as well. Then here, my staking, you're gonna see an overview over your staking coins. Currently, I didn't stake my coins. I just have it over here, but probably I'm gonna stake it as well, because like this, you can generate more coins. And anyway, this coin will take several weeks and months until it is coming out, because it's a completely new chain that is upcoming. And also they are in the first stage of the pre-market phase. That means that if you're buying in right now, you're basically buying in the stage 1 when the price is the cheapest here at 5 cents currently per coin. It keeps going up with every stage. That's why make sure, if you want to buy into it, to do it as soon as possible if you want, especially if you want to be following me. And you can go here through the dApp, of course, as well. So you can also go through the dApp here directly. That is also possible, but I'm gonna tell you how I am buying it here through the traditional way basically. Then we have those AI signals. You can see that here, this is more like an immediate short-term signals that you get here, because as soon as the prices are doing moves or some indicators are telling to buy or sell in the immediate short-term, you're gonna see here all AI insights. And then of course you can go, for example, long or short on exchanges like Bybit, Maxi Global, and so on. You can take advantage of those AI signals, of course. Links are here if you want to trade with leverage here on Bybit, Binance, and so on. Sign up with my links to get extra deposit bonuses, and of course, thanks to that, you can also with a small amount of money make some gains, because if you're using leverage, then of course with a small amount of money you can do bigger trades. But of course you also have liquidation prices, so also there you are running into some risks as well, of course. And then here also we have the news and feed dApp here, where you can get basically directly the newest news here on one site from different crypto websites like Daily Hodl, Crypto Briefing, Cointelegraph, and so on. So you see that you have like an all-in-one website where you can see all the important news about, for example, Ethereum or technology, Bitcoin, and so on. Then we have Vox AI. This is their own AI model that you can try out. Audit AI, you can put here a contract address and it will tell you if it's legit or not. Then we have this airdrop section where you basically can get free coins, as I told you. You can do tasks and get extra additional coins and so on. And of course you can also try out the faucet here, because this one here gives you 50 tokens every 24 hours. Yeah, so you can check it out here with the faucet. Then we have the testnet, we have the documents, everything here from Woxchain. Very, very bullish in my opinion, this new chain that is upcoming. And of course also we have a completely new chain that is coming up, and this is usually a good thing during a bull run, because then we can expect those long-term upside potentials. Because whenever such new chains are coming out during a bear market, usually they don't have such a big impact, but once they are coming out during a bull run, then usually we see nice gains. And yeah, basically everything about the project is here on their website. And also here you can see that it is supposed to be launching at 30 cents here. the coin in January 2026. That means in 4 months this one will come out, and if we're gonna see there much higher prices for Ethereum, for Bitcoin and so on, buying in right now at 5 cents, in my opinion, it's one of the best opportunities right now. And you can also here calculate basically how much gains you could do if you are investing right now $1,000, for example. So those are all, of course, speculations and price predictions and so on. And I mean, this is fixed here. If, of course, a price prediction would be if it goes to $1, maybe it is possible, who knows that. But at least this is the launch price. This is what we know. And this is the price that we can buy in the first stage. And this keeps going up until the launch price, and then it will be launching. And if you want to buy it, guys, then you can go to the link in the video description and then log in here into the website. You have to create an account, and then you will be ending up here on this dashboard here, Woxchain. And this is how you can buy into this coin. I bought around 0.2 Ethereum into this coin, so 11,544 coins I have here right now. I'm gonna also put them into staking to generate more free coins, basically until launch. And you can also, for example, now stake it for 3 months, and then you're gonna get all the coins back before the launch. And here, if you click buy Vox now, you just click into this button, and then you can see here that you can choose between different coins that are supported. Also Uniswap, Solana, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, and so on. And then you put here, for example, USDT, and then the amount that you would like to buy. For example, here the minimum is $100, so 2,000 coins are the minimum. And if you spend a certain amount, you can get, of course, also 2,000 coins. I have to put here 2,000 coins. That is around $100. That is the minimum. If we do maybe like, I don't know, 3,000. Yeah, at some point you're gonna have here also a bonus if you spend a certain amount of money. I think 20,000. Yeah, if you spend 20,000 coins here, then you're gonna get these 3% bonuses as well. And then you click here make payment. If you click here make payment, then you can choose between pay with crypto or, of course, sale time, buy Vox now. And then you click here buy Vox now, and then you have to send basically the $1,000, this amount USDT, to the wallet that is given here, and then you're gonna receive the token. So very easy and simple. This is how usually pre-market coins are working, that you are sending to a contract address that is given here, the amount that you would like to invest, and then you receive the coins back. And they are logged in here on the website. You're gonna see them here on the dashboard, of course, and then you can keep them here until launch. Sometimes this process takes a bit, so it can take some hours, maybe even up to 1 day until you receive the tokens, but normally it is going very, very quickly, and you also get a confirmation message once it's through. And this is also how I bought my coins, and now, of course, we have to wait for the launch. Also here on the dashboard, you can directly be forwarded to the staking, to the AI tools, and so on. And the only important thing is that you create an account with my link to get some bonuses as well, and then of course you're ready to go. You can stake the coins, you can leave them here and then wait just for the launch. I keep you updated, of course, but I am very bullish for this project here as well. Alright guys, so that's it for now. Let's see what XRP will do, what Ethereum will do. I think crazy times ahead, and of course that's why I'm also looking out for new coins like this one here, which brings, of course, new chains, new possibilities, new AI, new dApps, and so on into the markets, because I think that this is always bullish, especially when they're launching with low market cap, because then the great upside potential is at least given here with them. Because XRP, Ethereum, they're already big. Maybe we can see there like a 3x or 5x or 10x, but with those low market cap coins that you can find here in the video description, like Woxchain, for example, they have, of course, this huge upside potential because they are launching right now during this bull run, and of course they are low market cap. So let's see what happens, guys. Of course, no financial advice. I'm just here to show you whatever I'm buying and selling with you, and that's why. Make sure to be subscribed to keep you updated. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.